Welcome to Talking Time with Buford T. Shylock. So today, I'm going to do a video on a Waltham pocket watch that I just restored. Very good condition for the age. It was made in 1912. And it was not running when I got it. It's a relative's that I fixed for him. Okay. It was a bit of a lengthy process, because the mainspring had broken, and I luckily had the exact piece I needed to fix it. So here's the movement. It's a beautiful watch. I really like it. Haven't had to set the time. It's been so accurate. Timekeeper. I love it. Hopefully someday I can get one like it. But fully functional now. And it's a very nice piece. It was made in 1912, 15 jewels. It's a one-piece case. Or, I should say, you can't screw the back off. It comes out through the front. This is just a really nice one. And so I just wanted to do a quick video today about this Waltham pocket watch. And we'll see you next video.